How can we understand higher dimensions in this dimension?
It's useless to understand completely. So useless that no wise man has explained them, even though they all know the other dimensions. Understanding them is a completely wrong way of putting it. You need to ascend to them. So that you experience how it is like to be there firsthand. Otherwise, it's just a fairy tale, a fairy land, which now heaven has become. Because it's just a talk. Talk of heavens has become a joke on earth. So people have a lot of words, but they have no feeling of it. How can I make you understand the care and love which every citizen of heavens feels towards each other? How can I make you understand that feeling? How can I make you understand just the first dimension, the first sky, the first purer form than this earth where we live? How the beings who live there operate above the first in-between. That's why these stories are not told in great detail, because they will become a joke. There is nothing really to understand, but a cosmos full of life to experience. If you are willing to dedicate your life, if you are willing to experience it before you die, it's a lifelong quest for truth and purification. It has nothing to do with your mind, hence it has nothing to do with your understanding.